Good day, T with Travis. Today is November 26th, Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. I will be recording a video tomorrow, so I wish you just an awesome Thanksgiving, and hopefully you can have the time to reflect and really appreciate all the things you're thankful for. So often we get wrapped up, especially right now in this economy, with the doom and gloom of our 401k accounts and different things, and housing prices dropping, and all the different negativity we can feed into. It's just nice to be able to wake up in the morning and just really be thankful for our health and for our families and for our friends and all the things that we have been blessed with. So hopefully you have that opportunity tomorrow to do that. Today is actually surprising. Going into a long holiday weekend, typically the market doesn't respond well, and I can't think of the last time we had a long holiday weekend where the market closes early, where things are going positively. Right now, mortgage-backed securities are pretty flat. After that huge rally they had yesterday, when we saw rate improvements as much as 0.5% in one day on a mortgage, they tapered off, like I said, towards the end of the day with some sell-off, and traders were trying to appreciate some of those gains that they saw yesterday. But even this morning, it opened in the red and has bounced back, and we're in the positive a little bit. So I think we're going to be on a good trend for mortgage-backed securities to continue to stay low, as well as maybe even improve more. Some of the reasons for this is, again, the big announcement the Feds made yesterday, making $600 billion available for new mortgages, which in turn they've talked about leveraging up to a 10-to-1 ratio, which would be $6 trillion in availability for new mortgages. Again, this is not a bailout. This is not buying bad mortgages from banks. They've made the banks hold on to their bad mortgages, and now the Feds are just making more money available to the people that do qualify for loans. So that's very good news. Some bad economic reports that came out today. Durable goods orders plummeted 6.2% in October, which they expected it to plunge 2.5%. That may not mean a lot to a lot of you, but durable goods orders are basically anything that has a lifespan of two years or more in most cases. So it could be a washer and dryer, it could be a refrigerator, microwave, cars, those things. Those are durable goods, things that don't get thrown out often. And that number was down to 6.2, which is the largest drop in I think over 11 years. Also, the jobless numbers are up. They're up over 500,000 claims again this week. I think it was about 520. It was a little bit lower than they expected, but still over 500,000 jobless claims or unemployment claims were made in the last week, for a 4-week running total of 3.92 million. Nearly 4 million jobs that people are unemployed right now are getting paid for. So this is putting a huge burden on local state agencies for paying unemployment, as well as the unemployment rate going up. So this is the biggest ongoing unemployment number in 25 years. But that has to be taken into context, though, because 25 years ago the population is not what it is now here in the United States. So it does have to adjust for population gains, but still it's the largest number we've seen in a long time. The core PCE is a personal consumption expenditure index. It's the core number that the Feds look at to make sure inflation is in control. In October it was a zero reading, it was 0%. So year over year, we're right at the edge of the target zone for the Feds, and the main reason for this drop is because of oil prices dropping so much, still being around $50 a barrel. Outside of that, we should have a somewhat quiet trading day, being Thanksgiving tomorrow. Most of the traders probably want to get out of there as soon as possible to get home to their families and prepare for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So it's going to be a light trading day, I'm assuming. If something major happens, I'll update you again. I just want to really wish you an awesome Thanksgiving tomorrow with your families and friends, and just look forward to serving you all. So give us a call if you have any questions, and we're here for you. Be blessed.